Fox 17 News at 5 starts right now.
First at 5, potentially a massive setback for the nation's vaccination efforts. The CDC and the FDA recommending a complete pause on using the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
It is the only single-dose vaccine we have, but 6 women who got it reported dangerous blood clots afterwards. It's a small fraction of the almost 7 million doses distributed, but enough to prompt a warning today.
A disappointing announcement from the FDA and CDC on Tuesday about the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
While we review the available data, out of an abundance of caution, the FDA and CDC are recommending a pause in the use of this vaccine in the United States.
6 American women, all between 18 and 48 years of age, recently received treatment for a combination of thrombocytopenia, a low blood platelet count, and cerebral venous sinus thrombosis, or CVST, a clotting of the blood platelets. One patient died, another is in critical condition.
I'd like to stress these events appear to be extremely rare.
With almost 7 million doses of the vaccine having gone into American arms already, the cases are less than 1 in a million, but the news is still alarming. The CDC and FDA say people who already got the shot a month ago or longer should be in the clear. For those who got it more recently, monitor for headache, abdominal or leg pain, or shortness of breath. For now, both agencies recommend states hit pause to give doctors a chance to diagnose any remaining cases, but stop short of setting a timeline.
The time frame will depend, obviously, on what we learn in the next few days. However, we expect it to be a matter of days for this pause.
Out surveying a construction project in Douglas Tuesday, Governor Gretchen Whitmer seemed disappointed by the news, but didn't rule out using the J&J shot in the future whenever the feds give the okay.
They don't have the vantage point of what really is happening here on the ground in Michigan. They don't have an understanding of the legal framework that we already have in place, much less what is in our capacity to do. This still remains a very good tool that we could end up deploying again.
One bright spot out of Tuesday's announcement, neither the CDC nor the FDA has recorded any cases of this with the other 2 emergency-approved vaccines.
So let's look at who has received what in terms of the J&J vaccine. About 329,000 have been given to our state total. In our 18 counties in our viewing area that we are tracking in terms of numbers, Lake County has the highest percentage of J&J. 26% of their doses were Johnson & Johnson. Berry County has the second most, 23% of their number represents Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Ionia County, 18% J&J, and 17% Oceana counties were Johnson & Johnson. As for who got the least amount of doses, Kent County got only 4% of their shots Johnson & Johnson, and just 2% of Mecosta County shots were.